welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah, aka The Black Hannah, and today I'm coming at y'all with some hairstyles for locks, especially short locks. I don't know about y'all, but until I got to this length, and even was a little shorter, and still now I struggle to find hairstyles. Like, I'm like, what can I do? Because it's at that length where it's like, it's getting to the shoulder, but it's not long enough to really be doing those long styles. It's not long enough to really be put into buns. So I'm coming at y'all with some really cool, really cute hairstyles that I think y'all are gonna like, that are easy to do, even if your hair is shorter. These are styles I even did when I was first starting to lock, when they were way shorter. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys love these hairstyles. Hope you guys try these out. And if y'all want more, let me know. And definitely at the end of this video, comment in the description, not in the description box, but at the end of this video, comment below and tell me which hairstyle y'all like the most. And if you tried it, let me know what y'all thought of it. Was it hard? Yeah, let me know. But boom, let's get into these hairstyles because y'all gonna love them, okay? Okay, so boom, the first hairstyle is actually the hairstyle I just had. What I do is I don't always do my edges, but one of my favorite, actually my very favorite hairstyle to do with my locks is literally the little spiky updo. And I'm sorry if I'm looking away. I'm looking at the mirror to make sure it's right. This is my favorite hairstyle to do. I literally wear this style to the gym. I wear it everywhere. But the thing is, this can get boring sometimes too. So one of my favorite things to do is to throw in those chopsticks. And y'all, this style, get them in. This style is even good for the girls, you know, don't want too much stress on the edges, growing back the edges, because that's exactly what I'm doing on this side. So I don't like too much stress. So I want to, I can tie it up loosely without having any stress. Even through the day, I'll loosen it. Still has the same look. And what I do is I really just use the longer pieces to really create that little, you know, flowery look, I guess, to my locks. But this is my favorite hairstyle to do. Alright y'all, my second favorite hairstyle I do is all to one side. And what I do is I just let my locks down and I take my rice water spray from Hairfinity. So boom, I just spray it to the direction I want, get them locks, you know, moving a little stiff. And then for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use this instead of a bobby pin right now. But usually I'll just keep it all to one side and let that hang. Or I'll take the bobby pin and I'll put it back there to keep it. And this will be the hairstyle. It is low manipulation. It's easy and it gives you a little spin. I'm just leaving them all down. I'm someone, I don't wear my locks all down. I'm just not into that look yet for this length and how staggered my hair is. But boom, this is hairstyle, I guess, number 2, 3-ish, since the first one was kind of 2. But boom, next hairstyle. Alright, for this third, we're just going to call it the third. For the third hairstyle, what I like to do, my sister actually tipped me off to doing this because I was like, my hair is too short. Definitely, y'all, grab your hair up, whether you want to do the full bangs and leave them all down or do the side. And I like doing, sorry, I got a text from my sister, ironically, but what I like to do is I like to leave the bangs down on the side of the edges that I'm obviously trying to grow, and to, you know, remove that tension. So what I do is I usually spray around my head again, get that hair moving, and what I do is I just tie it up. I just want to say, do not feel like you have to put a lot of tension and have it tight. I literally will loosen it, and then I know what you're thinking, no one wants it to look like that. My trick to not having that show when your hair is shorter and you want to do updo style is literally just grab a piece and tuck it. Grab a piece and if I can get under there and tuck it, and I literally just make it look as messy but cover it from the front. Boom. Now it just looks like I have a messy bun. These pieces should have gone up, but boom. So because your hair's shorter, you might have some stragglers like me. All I do, again, take you a bobby pin, even though it's not a bobby pin, stick it back there, and then boom. This is such a cute hairstyle. I feel like it's funky enough. Yeah, it's still funky enough for me because I like my hair to look a little funky. Okay, boom. For the next hairstyle, it's kind of spin on the first one. It's basically, it's an up, but it's a messy bun. And what I do, again, do not feel like you need to pull on your edges or nothing like that. What I do is I just put it down. I determine what pieces need to go up and which ones need to stay down. And I literally just do a really stupid looking bun at first. And then I just play with it. And just like I did with the last one of spinning it, like the pieces to make more of a spicy look, that's what I like to do. I just spin it, and then this would be cute enough for me, but I get some people don't want a piece sticking in the front. So you could stick that, and then boom. You got your little bun do. And I love this. This hairstyle is like a fan favorite. No, I'm just kidding. But no, my friends love this one. My boyfriend loves this one. Literally is the 2 ponytails. There's a spin on this though. So one thing you can do for the girls who want to do a little spiky, like want something a little spicy, I say do it like this. Don't do the buns. Just grab them. I do it twice because I don't want any stress again on my edges, especially because they're growing back on that side from my terrible wig usage. Boom. Believe it or not, I do wear my hair like this because I like it spicy, but no, for real, I love this hairstyle. I recommend using the same hair tie, unlike me, so that they look way more balanced, but I love this. It's still cute. It gives a little spice, gives a little hang time on these. And again, it is low tension. Low tension is key. But anyway, we love this hairstyle. We wear this hairstyle. We love it. We're going to put a little spin on it. My favorite way to do this one, come on girl. My favorite way to do this one is to do a messy bun. And what I do is I literally start like this. I start it like this. And I make sure both of them are doing the same thing. But okay, if you're like me, your longer pieces might be in different places. Like my longer pieces are on the right side, and this one they're more towards the back. But that's fine. You just have to make it work. Spin them around. So boom, you get your hair like this. And what I do is I just start twisting and pulling and twisting. Ooh, sorry, y'all, my nails. I got them done today, but they were really damaged before because I waited too long to get a fill-in. So I had some broken nails and stuff, but boom. Anyway, back to this hairstyle. You're just going to want to tuck it and pull and tuck till it's your desired funkiness. Like, I don't know how else to say that. So boom, this one looks good to me. Now for this side, I'm going to take pieces out and start spinning because some of them they're a good bit longer than the ones on the other side. So don't be like me. They're never going to be right. I will spend hours. Okay, not hours. I'm being dramatic. I'll spend about 10 minutes trying to get these to look the perfect way. But like, you have to remember, these are messy buns. So they're going to be messy. So boom. This would be how I would leave it. And boom, you got another hairstyle. And we're on what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like 4 or 5 right now. This is a 2-in-1 like the first one. So now 2-in-1 the first, the second one, this 2-in-1. You got already, I'm terrible at math. I went to law school. I did not do nothing with math. So boom, that's 5 hairstyles. And I still got y'all with more. So boom. For my girls who want to do something more lower, one thing I always say you can do, don't be scared to do a bun. Just know you have to pin the little stragglers or figure out to do a bun or something like that. And that's what I'm going to show. I mean bangs. That's what I'm going to show y'all. If y'all are one of those girls who, oh, Hannah, I don't want to pull my hair all the way up. You know, I'm really trying to grow my hair back. Oh, it's too much tension. Literally, messy bun, hair to the side. And the good thing about the messy bun and the bangs is that you really don't have to pin back the stragglers, because the stragglers are the bang, right? Bada boom, bada bam, ba bam. If you want to do 2 low buns, you can do 2 low piggies. And this will be a 2-in-1 too, because you can leave them like this. And I know you're like, don't think you can't try these styles if your hair is shorter, because I wore these styles when my hair was much shorter and my ponytail was like this big, and it was still cute. Because honestly, y'all, cute is about confidence. You can rock any hairstyle if you're confident. And that's why I lock my hair. I want to be more confident in my hairstyles and how I was looking. So boom. This is cute. You can add cute little clips to the side. The ones that say like boss, babe, this, that. Those are so cute. Add them. You can add head jewelry. You can do so much, y'all. There is so much you can do. So don't feel like you can't. So boom, another hairstyle. And then bam, you have another hairstyle. So again, you could just add some bobby pins to the side and then boom, you got another hairstyle. But that's not it. I got more for you. I got more. One of my favorite hairstyles to do, and y'all are probably gonna be like, Hannah, that's a spin on the first one. Instead of doing like a full like 2 ponytails with the full back down, I actually like to take the majority of my hair and only leave scragglers down. I think it is so cute. And what I do is I grab all of, that's on that side, I grab all of this, I do a week behind bun, and again spin those pieces around. And honestly, tip, when people have, you see people with shorter locks, but they put them up and they look taller, it's because they're using the pieces and spinning them around. No one taught me that. I did figure that out from staring at people's things and then just playing with my hair. But I'm putting y'all on game because I want y'all to have some height too. But anyway, take the majority of your hair and put it up. I'm just gonna leave. I like my hair very funky, y'all. Like, I'd like, child, retwist me. But I like my hair to look very, very funky. To me, the funkier, the better. So, we're going to do that. Then I'm going to take some long pieces. Like oops. Okay, so for this one, it might be smart to go that way. And you're going to have to play with the direction of your hair and which way it wants to go. So boom, another hairstyle. Y'all see this? This is cute. And of course, yeah, you have your scragglers in the back, but it's a cute hairstyle. And if you need some difference, you already know I'm coming in with the chopsticks. One, and then boom, you're doing like cute shit again. You're doing cute hairstyles. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It is so cute. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And definitely stay tuned for more content, more fitness, more hair, more everything, and vlogs, of course. So I love y'all. Take care and see y'all next time.